In October 2021, we bought our first canoe. Later that month, we got out for our first paddle. This was the first time I had been in a canoe since I was knee-high to a grasshopper, and the first time I actually had a lesson on how to canoe.
Now there's a log here. We should be able to get over it on this side.
I'm not in the water 5 minutes and I already think I know what I'm doing. Oh boy. So much for the new canoe. They say scratches add personality.
We're gonna interrupt the ducks. I don't know if I'm doing a J-stroke. I didn't mean to. Okay, the beautiful tree. Go.
The confusion has only begun, as has the range of emotions that are to come.
That's so nice. Okay, should we turn soon?
Okay, what do you want to do now?
Let's go there. Oh, no, I want to go over there.
You sure?
Or we can turn around this way.
See? Okay, now you do the sweeper on your regular side.
On my regular side? Are we going to go that way then?
What? We're just practicing right now.
I know, but we're going to get caught.
No, don't worry. Big sweeper.
We're going to get caught in the
Big
reeds.
sweeper.
I don't want to keep going
Big
forward,
sweeper.
sweetie. I want to turn around.
We're good. That was a good one.
It's okay.
Eventually, I relaxed and started to get a feel for things. This canoeing was rather fun.
We got our canoe. And we're in the water. I could get used to this kind of style.
Isn't it nice?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So let's go into this bay and do another turn.
Okay.
Which way would you like to turn when we get there?
Well, if we kind of go,
To the left?
yeah, so let's go a bit further to the sparkles.
There's some directions for you. Towards the sparkles.
Okay. And brake and turn to the left. Oh, that's fun.
So you do a turn? A big turn now?
Which way, left or right?
Left.
Left.
Nice.
Uh-oh, we're going to the rock, dude. We gotta turn.
No, but we...
I have to get quieter.
Well, should we call it a day?
Oh, I guess so.
We can go around again if you want.
Maybe we could go just over to the island or just turn around. Or maybe let's turn around this way. This is the kind of sport where you can close your eyes for a minute or two. Well, not a minute, but like a couple seconds and not be afraid to die. There's a motorcycle that closed them for a few seconds and I'm gonna die. Sparkles. Okay, we're coming in.
Okay, hard.
And boom. First voyage was a success and so fun. Holy, the lake's pretty. Yeah, that was a good time. Yep.